Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the voice language in YouTube videos. This feature allows you to switch the audio track to a different language if the option is available. Keep in mind that not all videos have this feature yet, but many popular videos, such as those from big creators, do. I will first show you how to do this on a mobile device, and then I will demonstrate the same process on a computer. To get started on a mobile device, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet. Search for the video you want to watch. As an example, let's use a video from a popular YouTuber. I will play the video and you will hear it in its default language, which is usually English. To change the audio language, tap on the video to bring up the options. Look for the gear icon or settings icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. Once the settings menu appears, look for the option called Audio Track and tap on it. You will now see a list of available audio languages for the video. For example, if the video supports multiple languages, you might see options like Spanish, French, or German. Select the language you want to switch to by tapping on it. For this example, I will choose Arabic. After selecting it, play the video again. The audio will now play in the language you selected. You can repeat this process anytime you want to switch to a different language. Now I will show you how to change the voice language on a computer. Open the YouTube website in your browser and find the video you want to watch. Once the video starts playing, move your mouse to bring up the options bar. Look for the gear icon or settings icon in the bottom right corner of the video player and click on it. This will open the settings menu for the video. In the settings menu, find the option called Audio Track and click on it. Similar to the mobile version, you will see a list of available languages. Click on the language you want to switch to. For example, if you want the video in French, select the French option. The video will now play with the audio in the selected language. It is important to remember that this feature is not available for all YouTube videos. Only certain videos, especially from popular creators, offer multiple audio tracks. If you do not see the audio track option in the settings, it means the feature is not available for that video. That is how you can change the voice language in YouTube videos on both mobile devices and computers. It is a simple way to enjoy content in a language that you prefer. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.